Welcome to KryptoTrak Essentials. In this first module, we will introduce KryptoTrak, explain why it was created, and briefly explain each work area in the system. You might ask what, and more importantly, why, is KryptoTrak? KryptoTrak is web-based software that is designed as a comprehensive system to track every aspect of blockchain and cryptocurrency projects, coins, tokens, as well as people and organizations around these projects. It also allows the tracking of things like masternodes and exchanges, and even more. The initial and current version of KryptoTrak is constructed on top of a popular and flexible customer relationship management system, or CRM, published by Microsoft, and it's named Microsoft Dynamics 365. Because of that, if you subscribe to one of the premium levels of KryptoTrak, you also have access to a world-class customer relationship management system as well. KryptoTrak exists now because of an obvious need that arose during the production of the podcast ICO 41. From the very first episode of that podcast, we understood the chaotic state of affairs around the blockchain and cryptocurrency universe, and it became painfully obvious that with so many moving parts, so many facets and approaches to the technology, and so little organization and structure, that the only way a person could get their arms around this space was with some serious tools. And so we paused our podcast after about 6 months, and we set out to build something that could be used not only by us in our analysis to make sense of it all, but by anyone. This is why KryptoTrak was born in the first place.